foam soap. But you don't have to use foam soap. I only use it because it makes the slime more fluffy. Then we have some activator, and I use laundry detergent for the activator. But you can also use 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of water. And then I have some lotion, which makes the slime more stretchier. And then some white glue and clear glue. You can just use one of the others. And then some paint, purple paint. And then I have a container to mix it with and a spoon. I'm going to also be using clay. And it's air dry clay. And I'm going to be adding it to the slime when I'm finished with the slime. And yeah. I'm going to be adding in some glue now. And I'm just like doing one little squeeze. Okay, that's good. And then I am going to be adding in the foam soap, just like 2 little pumps. And then I'm going to be adding in some activator, just a little bit at a time. And now I'm gonna mix it. Just adding a little bit more. This might make your slime like a little bit green, but it's fine. It has a bit scent. I like the scent of it. So you know when to stop stirring when like it stops like sticking to like the bowl that much, and like it kind of doesn't stick to the spoon that much too. So until then, you just keep on stirring, and like yeah. And sometimes you want to like just go in with your hands a little bit to make sure when it's done. And it's still like really not too good. I think it might be kind of ready, but I'm not sure. So. Yeah, it's not ready. Okay, yeah, no. So I'm just gonna keep on adding in. If it is like still kind of like a glue kind of feeling, then you just keep on adding some more activator until it feels good. And it might be good right now because like as you can see, I can kind of hold it, but I'm still going to be adding more because it's way sticky still. How are you breathing? And you don't want to overactivate it because when you overactivate it, it's like very hard and that's not good. So I'm just going in with my hands, kneading it out. And kneading it out means when you just like keep on playing with it until it goes like this kind of, where you can actually hold it. And as you can see, it's actually kind of like at the slime part. And if you want, you can add some lotion, but I think it's stretchy enough. I'm just gonna clean up my bowl. Now this is how you want it, and you should be able to like stretch it, poke it, not make it sticky. And if it is sticky, just add a little bit of activator. And then if it's still sticky, just add more. And I'm gonna dye it and put some paint in it. I'm just gonna start off with a little bit because I don't want it to be too dark. And I'm just kneading it in for the color to mix in with the green. I don't want it this light, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more because I don't want it too dark. You know what I mean? So I'm just mixing it again. And it's okay if you get it on your fingers a little bit. You can just wash it off after. And this is kind of how I like it. If you wanted to make regular slime, you would just leave it like this. But since we're making clay slime, I'm going to be adding in some clay. And I'm just opening it. So I'm adding in some clay. I'm eyeballing it to see if this is good enough. And I'm just mixing it in. And you do not want any of these lumps. If you add in white clay, it might turn lighter, so you might want to add in more of the paint or food dye. And as you can see, some of the lumps are going away, which is a good sign. And I'm just gonna add in some more paint. That's just my dog. Okay. And I'm just mixing and mixing. And once you add in like the clay, it starts to get like a little harder. So if you want, you can add in some lotion. And I'm just gonna add in some lotion because I want it to be a little bit more stretchy. I like to make like a little hole in it. Just add some. I like to start off with a little bit because if you add too much, it'll be way too sticky, and then you will have to add in some activator. And now you can see that it's more stretchy. You can spread it out more. Spread it out really far. And that's how you make clay slime. In the video, this was just like a practice, and like if it got way too sticky, I can just put my hands in it and clean it. But you don't have to have like a random slime hanging around. But I just use it to like get the glue off, or like if it's really sticky, I'll just put my hand in it. So that's why this is there. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope I gave you really good tips on how to make clay slime, and I hope you enjoy. Bye!